Welcome to a gentle claymation Malta, an island of soft shapes, bright colors, and peaceful calm. The sun smiles over rounded buildings, wiggling trees, and a sparkling blue sea. From above, colorful houses and patchwork fields drift by, surrounded by the gentle sea. Listen, the wind whooshes, the sea splish-splashes, and little clay birds sing. Let this peaceful world wrap you in calm. Welcome to Claymation Malta. Let's explore together. Our first stop is the Great Cliffs of Dingley. Soft walls of honey and gold clay, glowing in the sun. Little green bushes dot the tops, and the cliffs curve gently, holding the land safe from the sea. Stand on the edge and look out. The sea stretches calm and blue, the wind whispering secrets. You feel small and safe at the same time. The cliffs are silent keepers of Malta's peace. As the sun sets, the cliffs shift from gold to orange, shadows stretching like sleepy cats. Let the cliff's peace fill you. Onward to the next wonder. Welcome to the Blue Lagoon, a pool of shining turquoise like liquid light. The water is so clear you see the pale yellow clay sand below, nestled between soft white islands. Dip your toes in, warm, still as glass. Touch the water and watch perfect ripples spread. Tiny orange and yellow fish dart by, part of the peace. Floating here feels like floating in the sky. The light is magical, always changing, always gentle. Here happiness is easy and calm is everywhere. The Blue Lagoon's peace lingers. On to the next adventure. Malta's wonders await. Let's leave the sea and visit Medina, the silent city, truly silent in our clay world. High honey-colored clay walls surround the city, smoothed by centuries of gentle wind. Medina sits on a hill, like a sandcastle waiting to be explored. Enter through a big arched gateway, no creak, just a soft swoosh. Inside, narrow streets twist and turn, lined with tall, warm yellow clay buildings. Windows are small, doors painted soft blues and reds. The only sound is the soft padding of your feet on clay cobblestones. The streets are empty. This city is yours to discover. Notice the details. A balcony with swirly ironwork, a wobbly lantern casting gentle light, green vines climbing golden walls. Run your hand along the smooth, sun-warmed walls. The city feels alive, breathing quietly. Find a hidden square with a simple clay fountain, water trickling with a soft, tinkling sound. Sit on a bench, rest, and watch the sun create long, soft shadows. Time feels paused here. Medina is a place for quiet thoughts, a safe haven from the busy world. Its silence is a gift, filling you with deep peace. The city's beauty is in its calm and stillness. Every corner invites reflection. The gentle light makes everything glow. Medina is a true claymation treasure. Let its peace settle in your heart. The silent city is a world apart. Let's continue our journey. More wonders await. Now to the coast and the fishing village of Marsaxlokk, famous for its colorful, wobbly boats. The harbor is full of luzu boats, bright red, blue, yellow, and green, bobbing gently on deep blue clay water. Each boat has sleepy, friendly eyes painted on the front, meant to protect the fishermen. The boats rock in a calming rhythm, rock, roll, thump, thump, a peaceful, happy sound. Walk along the harbor buildings of sandy-colored clay, green and blue shutters slightly crooked, adding charm. Fishermen mend brown clay nets, working quietly with soft smiles. The air smells of sea and fresh paint. Sit at a small cafe by the water, a wobbly clay table, a simple chair. Watch the boats dance, the sun warm on your shoulders. A clay cat sleeps in a sunny patch, tail twitching. The whole scene is simple, everyday beauty. Marsaxlokk is a place of color and calm, showing the gentle rhythm of life by the sea. The boats look like toys in a giant bathtub. The harbor is alive with quiet joy. The village is peaceful, inviting you to slow down. The gentle movement of the boats soothes the mind. The colors are bright and cheerful. Marsaxlokk is a happy, peaceful corner of Claymation Malta. Let's take its calm with us. The sea's rhythm lingers. On to the next peaceful place. Malta's story continues. Let's take a short trip to Gozo, Malta's greener, quieter sister island. Ride a chunky clay ferry through blue water, leaving a soft white wake. Gozo's hills are soft and rolling, like green pillows under the sun. Fields of green and yellow clay form a patchwork blanket. Wander narrow lanes lined with wiggly stone walls and prickly pear cacti waving friendly red fruits. The air is fresh, smelling of grass and earth. Old farmhouses of golden brown clay sit peacefully among the fields. A wisp of grey clay smoke curls from a chimney into the sky. Hear a distant church bell, ding-dong, echoing across the hills. Gozo is a place to slow down, breathe deeply, and enjoy the view. Sit on a hilltop, see the whole island and the blue sea all around. There's a feeling of space and freedom here. The green hills calm the eyes and soul. Gozo is a quiet escape, a peaceful green haven in our clay world. The countryside invites you to rest. The land feels timeless and gentle. Gozo's beauty is simple and natural. Let's carry its peace with us. Onward to the next wonder. It's time for the beach. Golden Bay, with its deep golden orange clay sand. The sand feels wonderful under bare feet, leaving soft footprints behind. The beach curves in a gentle crescent, like a happy smile. The sea is blue-green, waves rolling in with a soft shushing sound. White foam tickles your ankles, the water warm and inviting. Walk in slowly. The sandy bottom is smooth and soft. Find a spot to relax, lie on a towel, and feel the sun's warmth. Watch fluffy white clay clouds drift by, changing shape as they go. The afternoon is peaceful. No loud noises, just sea and breeze. As the sun sets, the sky turns orange, pink, and purple, reflecting on the wet sand and water. The world glows with soft, warm light. Golden Bay is a place of warmth, color, and deep relaxation. The beach invites you to unwind. The sunset is a gentle farewell to the day. The sand, sea, and sky blend in perfect harmony. Every moment here is calm. The beauty is simple and soothing. Let's take this peace with us. The day ends quietly. On to our final stops. Our journey takes us back in time to the ancient temples of Hegarkin. These rounded blocks of grey and brown clay look ancient and wise, shaped by gentle hands. The temples stand on a hilltop, silent witnesses to thousands of years. Walk among the great stones, doorways low and wide, rooms curved like bubbles. Inside, sunlight makes soft circles on the clay floor, the air cool and still. The stones feel solid and cool, holding secrets of the distant past. The temples connect us to ancient people, strong, patient, building peace with their hands. Outside, see the blue sea and the small island of Filfla on the horizon. The wind hums gently around the stones, a sound of time passing. Hegarkim is a place of wonder and peace, reminding us of Malta's long story. The shapes are smooth and organic, like a protective shell. The view is timeless, the air sacred. The temple's silence is powerful. Every stone tells a story. The past feels close here. The ancient world is alive in clay. Let's carry this sense of wonder with us. The peace here is deep and lasting. Malta's story is rich and quiet. Our journey nears its end. One last moment of calm. Our gentle journey through Claymation Malta comes to an end. We've seen soft cliffs, turquoise lagoons, silent cities, colorful boats, green hills, golden beaches, and ancient stones. Each place has given us a gift of peace and quiet. Remember the warmth of the clay sun, the sound of waves, the bright colors, and the deep green hills. These memories are treasures, pieces of calmness to carry with you. This claymation world shows the beauty in simple things and quiet moments. Let it remind you to slow down and notice the small details around you. The spirit of gentle Malta can live in your own life. As we float away, see the island glowing in soft light, a place of warmth, color, and peace. Carry its calmness with you, a soft, warm blanket for your mind. Let this gentle journey bring a quiet smile to your face. Goodbye, Claymation Malta. Thank you for the peace.